Welcome to the video of the rye harvest, straw baling, corn planting, spring of 2020. Walnut Springs Farm, working in conjunction with Growing Hope Globally, Waterway Church / Media Mennonite Church, and all the other volunteers donating their time, material, equipment, labor, just almost an endless list of all the services provided, seed included, manure, just everything that we needed for this project provided at no charge. Ultimate goal of this project is to enable farmers in Nepal to grow better crops, more nutritious crops, more financially feasible crops to better their families. So watch and enjoy. Well, I would say that looks like he's done a pretty decent job. These small fields are annoying. Doing what he's doing there, though, is the right way to do it. Good job, Pastor Steve. I stuck Pastor Steve with the oddest shaped field. A bunch of little tiny, well, points. So but I think he did all right. Banjo seems to like it. And we'll pull that row closest to the trees. We'll have to pull it back. I don't think he'll be able to get that one, particularly down that corner, down in there, that corner. So if the rake holds together, even if it doesn't, still got Marvin out there. And he's making good time. So we got 130 big squares sold to Woe Nelly Horse Farm, $40 a bale, $160 a ton. We're going to weigh some bales, make sure they're 500, but they should be. But this baler that's Cummins never baled it before. I'm assuming it'll be 500, but that can change with the quality of the straw and all this and that. So we will double check, but 160 a ton. And then the rest of it, beyond the 130, we're going to round bale and sell that to the produce market. Not a produce market, but into the guys that are growing produce and need this rye straw for mulch, because it works really well for that. And that's what we always used it for mulching strawberries. Way off in the distance. That's the thickest field I've got, I believe. what you get when you. And I came back this spring and top dressed with what chicken manure I had left to try and get rid of these bare spots, but I didn't have enough manure to do it. But it's entirely due to just me, no guidance on the tractor. So you're estimating and you're thinking, well, I'm doing 40 foot, 35 to 40. In reality, you're only getting a consistent pattern of 25.
You got these spots here.
Yeah. Turn her short. Hear that drive line chatter. You haven't been. I haven't seen that jump like it was.
No.
I don't want to. So why? You think that adjustment to the pickup head might have been enough?
I wonder. I might have to watch some of the. Any place you get close to grass. Now it takes a little bit till that shows up, like you hit a clump, but
yeah,
we seem to be staying pretty good.
But
that may have been enough.
Yeah, and I should probably get out and check and see. Well, you can see how much we're leaving behind. I mean, we're not leaving enough. Hey, the main thing is if we can still plant through it.
Yeah. Don't blame me for not getting any more straw.
Don't blame you for getting enough straw. That's fine. And then the guy planting the corn, he'll blame you for not getting the
good
penetration or good stand. Glenn dropped the seed corn off yesterday.
Okay.
He said, "Don't waste any. That's a lot of money sitting there." Hey, Marvin!
Well, he got himself stuck back here. Or Ross needs to follow him out. Apparently the ground's a little bit soft. Yeah, it actually worked.
What's that?
You unload Wilmer.
No, he doesn't want to be unloaded, right?
Oh, I don't know.
He's taking those with him.
What do you want the money for?
Tell him he needs to pay before they leave. What are you doing, Will? Where? He's showing off.
Christmas lights on.
Is that what you call them, Christmas lights? Yeah, don't get my new signs I just put up. He missed them. I wondered how far I should space them out.
Apparently just enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, if someone can't see that thing coming, they might want to get an eye doctor's appointment
Yeah, I know.
before they go back to driving again.
I'm not even offering any commentary on this video. It's just, it's too rich, just the way it is.
Rough field. Dropping miles per hour back on this field.
So it's Monday morning, June 15th, a little bit after 6 o'clock. Just thought I'd show rows of corn coming up. Everything looking good. Probably can't see the cherries in the cherry trees, but they're there. So yeah, good stand, good weed kill. Coming up through the burnt sod here at the edge. So it certainly looks like if God blesses us with more rain this summer, we will have a crop to sell and bless other people with.